In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a listing on Vinted. Whether you need to fix a title, update photos, or adjust the price, I'll walk you through the quickest way to get to the edit screen and make clean, confident changes. First, open your web browser and go to vinted.com. We're using the desktop site in this walkthrough. If you see a regional version of the site, that's normal. Just continue on the page you're taken to. Make sure you're using the account that owns the item you want to edit so the listing appears under your profile. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It typically looks like a small person's silhouette. Click that icon to open a small menu. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so the profile options appear. From that menu, click Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your live and reserved items are displayed. Think of this as your storefront. Anything you've listed will be visible here. Now scroll down through your items until you see the one you want to update. If you have a lot of listings, take your time and scan the thumbnails and titles to find the exact piece you're looking for. A quick visual scan for the color or brand can help you spot it faster. Once you've found it, select the item by clicking on it. That opens the listing page where you can see the photos, description, size, and pricing you originally set. This is a great place to confirm you've got the right item before you proceed. On the listing page, click Edit Listing. This brings up the edit form for that specific item. Here's where you can fine-tune your details. If your title is vague, make it clear and searchable with the brand, item type, and key attributes. Refresh the description so it's honest and helpful, including condition, measurements, and any small flaws a buyer should know about. Check that the category, size, and brand are accurate so your listing shows up in the right searches. Review your price and consider current demand or seasonality when adjusting it. If your photos are dark or blurry, replace them with well-lit images on a neutral background and include front, back, close-ups, and labels for credibility. Finally, glance at delivery preferences to ensure they match what you can actually ship. When everything looks right, you're set. You've reached the edit screen and updated your listing details so they'll reflect exactly what buyers need to see. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and effective.